Yeah, you had me locked in your house.
Okay, see.
I see how it works.
It's open like this.
Yep.
No problem. But as soon as it's locked, it won't open anymore.
Because with the door locked, it doesn't turn more than this much. Okay, let me take a look at it, okay?
Yeah.
He sold the house, but he does not work on the bottom handle. My guess is that he never really used this door. These screws are all stripped. They're stripped. Gotta be careful with them. Use a screwdriver. Well, this screw is definitely not going back in. I'll find him a new one somewhere in my van. Got it. Barely. Let's take a look at this lock now. What do you say, W40? I think W40 might fix this lock. Let's spray it. Okay, I have no idea, but it's working now. We're gonna call it good. All right, I got a couple new screws for this lock. I'm not gonna use those stripped out ones. Didn't need to take that one out. This on and see if the key's working. Got fingerprints all over this thing. Ruin all my nice shirts. All right, let's go tell him it's done. I didn't have to replace any parts.
It's working?
It's working, but the only thing is, I don't know what I did to fix it, but it's working. All right?
Let me pay you.
Come take a look at it. There you go.
Thank you.
No problem. It's locked, you can feel it.
Good man.
Cool.